We use cookies to remember your site preferences, record your referrer and improve the performance of our site. For more information, see our cookie policy. Please select an option below and save your preferences. No cookies. Without any cookies, our websites can't remember your site preferences, currency, weight units, markets, refer, etc. for your next visit. Any cookies already dropped will be deleted at the end of your browsing session. Boolean-involved cookies only. We use these cookies to record your site preferences, currency, weight units, markets, refer, etc. for your next visit. Boolean-involved cookies and third-party cookies. Also, allow our use of cookies from well-known third parties such as Google, Facebook, Bing and YouTube. These help us understand how visitors use our website so we can improve them. You can update your cookie preferences at any time from the cookies link in the footer.